Well, it's a real pleasure to see you guys. You guys live around here? You know Richard?
Yes.
We know that having someone grounded in the community who's served Burnaby for more than 16 years as an elected politician already is the kind of strong voice we need to represent Burnaby South in Ottawa. It is so nice to be back home in Vancouver. So great to be back here in the Lower Mainland in BC. An opportunity to reconnect with friends, an opportunity to talk about how we're moving forward as a country, an opportunity to spend time with my friend and yours, Richard Lee. You know, under Stephen Harper for 10 years, we saw it all the time, that the local MPs were voices for Ottawa in the ridings. Well, that's not what the people here in Burnaby South want. That's not what people right across the country need. We need strong local voices standing up for you, fighting for you in Ottawa, and that's exactly what Richard is going to be.
People are telling me that their lives haven't improved. Over the past number of years, if they look at what they faced with, what they look at the problems that they're faced with, whether it's the housing crisis, whether it's the fact that people can't afford things like medication, and when we look at the problems to the environment, on all these issues, this government and Mr. Trudeau have let people down. They've told people to wait before they actually do anything to address the housing crisis. They've told people that we're going to purchase a pipeline and continue to subsidize fossil fuel sectors instead of investing in a green economy. And they've said that we're going to do a piecework potentially coverage plan for medication instead of covering everyone with a public system that's comprehensive and that's delivered publicly. That's really the concerns that I hear from people, and this government's not addressing them. Mr. Trudeau has not addressed them, and people are let down and are confident that what we're talking about, what we're proposing, are solutions that will make their lives better.